English pronunciation. Importance of English language in Pakistan. Without common language, it's very difficult for people to share their thoughts with other people. Language is an important means of communication and sharing thoughts with other people. Nowadays, the English language is a common language in the world. In the world, people can speak the English language and understand it. After the independence of Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared Urdu as the national language of Pakistan. But also, he gives very importance to the English language. The English language is teaching in all over Pakistan, from basic school level to higher university level. As the English language is the official language of the world, so for the people of Pakistan it plays a very important role. Education is a matter of life and death for Pakistan. After 16 years of school study, they cannot read or understand the English language fluently. Facing difficulties in recognition of English sounds, connecting the sounds with each other, difference between spelling and sounds, multiple sounds of the same letters, and understanding of intonation and stress. Major ones are bad schooling system, unskilled teachers, transliteration, impact of regional language, role of electronic media, and unmotivated behavior to learn and rectify. There are certain solutions to these problems like training the teachers, learning the standard phonetics, and its consistent practice. In the case of people who have been gifted with the ability to talk, communication is much easier. But here, the question rises, that it is really about only communication. If so, then what is the significance of verbal communication, when the deaf and dumb people can do it as well? Here it is important to understand the role of pronunciation in communication, which makes the difference. YouTube channel Sohailimdad provides you, words by words, reading material, to overcome this deficiency of pronunciation, that make the difference.
Please like and subscribe YouTube channel Sohail Imdad to get updates on time.